Hey guys, Greg here with Dallas County Conservation. Today Jim and I are cleaning out the wood duck boxes that we put up last fall. This is the second one we've checked, and it looks like we had a hatch. See that there's eggshells in here. There's one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And we had 2. Oh, there's 9 too. We had 2 that didn't hatch. So there, I gotta get it on there. We're gonna clean this out, and hopefully this spring some more wood ducks come in and re-nest.